You're nobody! You're no...
I know what you're thinking. Why is he cross-eyed and yelling at 2 jars of rice? Well, I was thinking, they say you are your thoughts. So if I'm always stressing and thinking negatively, what effect does this have on my body? Are my negative thoughts and stress slowly killing me? As a maker YouTuber, I'm kind of pushing against social norms, which is stressful. Stress though is a necessary and useful tool in my life to help get things done. Whether it's a project, dealing with family, producing a podcast. Hello and welcome to the Make Ideas Reality podcast. Or making YouTube videos, stress is always there. We've all heard stress is harmful to our health. So to understand how harmful, I did some research and came across the Rice Experiment. The basic idea is positive and negative energy have an effect on water molecules in different ways. So for us humans made up of 60% water, what does this mean? I'm going to risk my so-called reputation, as many have called this experiment bullshit, and test for myself what my words, thoughts, and intent have on a jar of rice. Right, here's the plan. 6 jars. Why 6 jars? Well, that's all I had, but that's convenient because that gives us 2 test jars for positivity, 2 test jars for negativity, and 2 test jars for ignore. And that way, hopefully, we'll see results the same in each of the jars, and we'll be able to determine if the results are actually a fluke or actually real. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide up these jars with the same amount of rice exactly, and then we're going to put them in their test environment where with the positive stuff I'm going to be saying things that I love to be told all the time and what I should be saying to myself all the time. With the negativity, I'm going to be basically saying all the things I say to myself all the time and the things that I would never want to hear from someone else, which would make me feel bad. And of course, the ignore, we're just going to ignore it. That's the plan. Let's see what happens. Righto guys, this is where we're going to keep our samples. This is in the attic of my garage. It's really solid 23 degrees all year round up here, and there's very minimal outside light, so hopefully UV or anything won't taint our results. It is the 13th of January, which means I will be seeing these samples every single day for the next month. Let's see what happens. Oh my God, you are looking good, Positivity One. Everyone's waiting for you to fail, and you're gonna fail. So just give up. So talented and creative, probably the best YouTuber I know. Oh, I'm a YouTuber. Well, let's see some videos, motherfucker. Keep on going and do what you do. You're awesome. You're molding up and I can see it. You deserve to mold up and die. You're gonna be amazing. People are gonna see that. Well, you're useless. You're useless. You're useless! Right, what are our results after 30 days of testing? Well, they're kind of inconclusive. So my reputation is still quite on shaky grounds there. The ignore jars kind of look the same as what we first started with. The negativity jars, well, both are slightly discolored, and then one has this weird pink sort of growth on it. And both positivity jars, well, they're just slightly discolored. So it didn't quite work out if my stress and negativity was slowly killing me, but I did have a realization when I was speaking negatively to the negative rice. I just felt shit, and my well-being was hugely impacted by this. And I came to the realization that positivity was just as good a tool, if not better, to get things done. And if you're able to talk positive about yourself and about what you're doing, you have the energy to keep on going. And also, when you don't end up finishing a project or getting something done for work or whatever it is, you don't take it so harshly on yourself, and that gives you more energy and makes you feel better about what you actually achieved. So I want to take that away from this experiment, and I hope you guys take that away too. I don't normally do these type of videos. I make stuff, I make Batmobiles, I make voice-controlled sofa beer fridges, and I make all sorts of other cool stuff, so be sure to go check that out. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.